CNN आईबीएन के इंडियन ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड समारोह में दीपिका को भी इंडियन ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड में बॉलीवुड में की कैटेगरी में सराहा गया। दीपिका पहली ऐसी अभिनेत्री हैं जिनकी 4 फिल्मों ने एक के बाद एक 100 करोड़ से ज्यादा की कमाई की है। दीपिका जब अवार्ड लेने के लिए मंच पर पहुंची तो उनकी आंखों से आंसू बह रहे थे। ये आंसू रुकने का नाम नहीं ले रहे थे। आखिर क्यों, आप ही देखिए।
Okay, let me first ask you what it is like to get a award from Dad.
A bit overwhelming.
Really? I asked him before you came on stage whether he watched all your films, and he said yes, he did.
I think this is really for my parents who allowed me to live my dream. And with this award, I think I'd like to tell all the parents out there to allow your children to live their dream. This has only been possible because they believed in me more than I believed in myself, and they've been so supportive and so encouraging. Living away from family is not easy, but to always make me feel like they're there for me no matter what, this wouldn't have been possible without the two of you. So thank you.
Are you saying, I asked Prakash this once, I thought he was going to make you a badminton player. What happened to become, do you regret not having become a badminton player, or is this simply a dream that you're living?
Well, if I played badminton, then I think I'd always be, I'd probably always have to compete with him. So I don't think anyone can ever live up to what he's achieved. But no, having said that, I think I always put my heart and my mind and my soul into films because I knew that this is what I enjoyed doing the most. That's what he followed and that's what he believed, that just do what you believe in. Don't play badminton because I'm doing it. Do whatever you think is right and what you believe in, and only then you'll succeed and achieve. And this is what I always say in all my interviews to all the parents and young kids.
In a male-dominated industry, how difficult was that?
I think it's all great in hindsight when you sit down and analyze these things and talk about the kind of money that the films have made or the kind of roles that I've been offered. But I don't think that while choosing these films, I don't think I really sat down and analyzed. I think every decision of mine has always been from the heart, very, very instinctive. And I think I've always done that. In the last 5 years of being in this industry, I've always believed that your films you choose from your heart instinctively, and everything else will follow. I've had some non-successful films as well, and now I've had a string of hits. So you never know what to expect. But just to go out there every day, believe in yourself and give it your 100%.
Let me get Dad to ask to say a word. What is it like, that people now meet you on the roads, probably in Bangalore, and say, "Are you Deepika Padukone's father?" Do they tell you that?
Well, if they are below 40, they would say, Deepika's father. People who are above 40 would say, Deepika is Prakash's daughter.
That's a good way. Well done, Deepika Padukone. Many, many congratulations.